let's go ahead and take a look at this ACT problem. Okay, so we have for all x is greater than 0, which of the following expressions is not equivalent to this particular uh, exponent that we have? Okay, so let's go ahead and first try to simplify that exponent that we have here. So we'll start from the inside part, which is x squared, and then we have a cube root of that. Okay, so now if you remember, whenever we have a cube root, that 3, the cube root, the 3 of the cube root goes and turns into 1/3 when you multiply with the exponent. So what we're going to write this as is x squared times 1/3. So cube root is 1/3. Okay, so that's x 2/3. X 2/3. Okay, so that's the inside part. Now there is a square root on the outside. So there is a square root like that. So if you remember, the square root is basically when you remove it becomes 1/2. So multiplies the exponent with a half. So let's go ahead and do that then. So we have x 2/3, and when we remove the outer square root, which is this one, what we get is times 1/2. So now we can go ahead and simplify that, and we get this 2 cancel. So we have basically finally what we have is x 1/3. Okay, so we're trying to compare these choices to x 1/3, and we're going to find out which one's not equivalent to x 1/3. So clearly we can see the answer already out here, k, but let's quickly go ahead and see which ones we can cancel. So j, of course, we can cancel because that's x 1/3, the same as this. Then this one, x squared square root is x, and then there's a cube root. So we just said the cube root was 1/3, so that's x 1/3. So we could go ahead and cancel that as well because it's the same as this. Okay, so now this one is x squared, and the 6th root means it's 1/6. So we can write this as x 2 divided by 6. So that's x 1/3 as well, and so we can cancel that. And of course this is cube root is x 1/3, so we can go ahead and cancel that as well. So our choice that is not equivalent to this exponential expression that we have is this choice k, which is our final answer. Okay, all right. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you in the next video. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.